Greetings, family. This is Speaker Jermaine, and this is part 2 of the Black Wall Street lectures. Today I want to talk about creativity. You know, we have a lot of documentation to show forth the creativity that existed in the original Black Wall Street in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Some creative genius people. And one of the things I always like to express to our people is the following. As I say, we don't have to have debates about Egypt or Kemet. All we have to know is that that creativity that was in the original people is still present to us today. That creativity from Kemet to America still exists. Look at the genius of Benjamin Banneker. The blueprint inside his subconscious mind, inside of his DNA, divine natural aptitude to draw the blueprint for Washington, D.C. Look at the blueprint in his brain to outline the almanac. Look at the genius of Lewis Latimer. Look at the genius of Elijah Coy. Look at the genius of Granville T. Woods. Look at the genius of Carter G. Woodson. On and on and on and on. Creativity has been a part of us. Now I want to explain to you that's listening the power of this creativity that's inside of you, that you are connected with the universe. And as I say, there's nothing more powerful in the universe than a made-up black mind. Why? You know, family, when you take 90% of the material of the universe is dark matter, when you understand the mental and spiritual power of melanin, when you take into consideration who you are and who you can grow to be, then it is from that field of silence, from that dark matter, that the urgings of the universe sends out a pulse to a receptive mind. You can actually download the conversations from the universal intelligence so that it will be a part of your actual DNA. The download of your gift, your talents, who and what you are present in this day. We must remove the thought of lack. We must remove the thought of limitation. We must remove the thought that we cannot. When you have an idea, the universe is having a cosmic conversation with you in this moment. And when you have the idea, think about it. Everything in the universe first begun with an idea. And someone did what? They took massive action. They wrote it down on a piece of paper. And from this idea, they created enough emotional energy. Look at that word, emotion, motion. Energy in motion creates unbelievable opportunities for us. It can create the opposite, chaos, or it can further our creativity. It's up to you. This idea that you have right now, you are not an individual per se. You are an individualized unit of the universal intelligence. So your idea comes to you, but it's not to stay with you. Your idea represents a spiritual pregnancy to where you can connect with other creative like minds who would take the fertileness of your idea to its full potential. Because in the creative darkness, you now are connecting with an idea that connects with the passion that's buried in your heart. And your heart has a passion, and your passion is your passport to prosperity. Wake up, Black America. It's nothing that you cannot do. Allow yourself to just dream. Allow yourself to feel. Allow yourself to listen to music and dance in the creative ocean of all things in existence. Remove the thought of capitalism. Remove the thought of lack of credit. Remove the thought of anything that can hold you back. Allow yourself to dance as the beautiful stars dance at nighttime with the beautiful, magnificent backdrop. And know that you are creative. It's your creativity that will further a nation. It's your creativity. Don't think in the mindset that, oh, they stole patents from us. Oh, they stole this. Oh, they stole that. I understand. And we're not saying those things didn't happen. I'm saying in order for you to be the God and the goddess that you are and live the fulfillment of who and what you are, channel all your energy within the field of creativity. Allow synchronicity to sing a new song in your life. Allow the universe to bring new people, new places, new circumstances in order for you to experience what? Money. My own natural energy yield. It is the outpicturing. It is the universe saying back to you, here's your cosmic compensation for your gift. Believe in you like never before. Raise up your belief, Black America. There is nothing that you can't do. The Black Wall Street lectures are here to inspire and motivate you. No notes, no edits. I'm Speaker Jermaine. I am at my best. Subscribe to this video and share with your family members and friends. Get ready. Part 3. Peace and blessings.